Hello everybody, my name is Matthew Coblin. I am the founder and lead developer of HubPlate, the future of restaurant management apps and POS systems. I am very happy to bring this to you guys, and in this video I am talking about really quick AI menu suggestions. So this is something really cool that I built into this app. If you go down to inventory, the location of this might change in the future because I feel like it belongs more in the menu page than the inventory page. This is where it just so happened to end up right now. So if you click on AI menu suggestions, what this will do is you can prompt the AI, and the AI will actually look at your current inventory and create you a new menu item. No shit. So this is how it works. So let's say you want a new cocktail. And so you can say something like, based on trends in the Houston area, let's say you're in Houston, create, oh, hold on. I always like to include this just to make it more accurate. And, oops, slow down, fingers. And current inventory. Create a new cocktail for spring. And you could specify lunch cocktail, dinner cocktail. For now, we're just going to go create a new cocktail for spring. Generate, and now what the AI will do is it'll look at current trends in Houston, it'll look at your inventory, and it's going to give you some new ideas for a spring cocktail. So here you go. So generated items based on your menu profile, available inventory items or inferred ingredients, and your specific prompt. So now you have 3 new drinks to choose from. You got a pineapple ranchero, a vibrant tropical caprini variation. Kashaka meets fresh pineapple and lime, elevated with a subtle muddle of jalapeno and cilantro. Now it'll give you the reason why it chose this. Houston cocktail culture strongly embraces tropical flavors and a spicy kick. Proximity to Tex-Mex cuisine, right? There's another one, the Montrose Sparkle. The sophisticated bubbly riff on French 75, gin and Cointreau, are brightened by fresh lemon juice, a hint of grenadine for color, and topped with a generously chilled Prosecco. And it gives you the reason why. And here's another one. And then you can view the recipe. You have 1 ounce of gin, 0.5 ounces of Cointreau, 0.5 ounce of fresh lemon juice, and the instructions on how to make the drink. Pretty cool, right? I love this feature because then all you do is you click add to menu, you got your menu, your item name, the description, you can set the price, select the category, save recipe to recipe book, map ingredients to, so here you can map your ingredients to inventory, 1 ounce of gin, you map that to gin. Cointreau, okay. Map to Cointreau. Oops. Fresh lemon juice. I don't think we have grenadine. Oh, we do have grenadine. Good stuff. And scroll down, there we go, Prosecco. And you can see on the right here the ounces to use. Save the menu. This is how easy it is to upgrade your menu, add drinks, add menu items. Now when a server, let's say you just added it like we just did, right? Now when a server goes up to a table and they click New Age Cocktails, they can now see, oh, look, there's a new drink, the Montrose Sparkle. And now they can order it. I'm not going to send it to the kitchen, but you get the idea. So, and that should also be in your menu area. If we go into New Age Cocktails, there's your Montrose Sparkle. You could edit the item, manage add-ons, mark as 86, or delete it. Go into your recipes. Should be in New Age Cocktails. There's your Montrose Sparkle right there. And it is, there's all your details. Everything is updated. Your description is there. Your preparation instructions are there. Your recipe is there. It's linked just like that. So now I want to show you guys really quick, do another example. Let's say you wanted to add, I want a new lunch item based on local 2026 trends going on in, you know what, we're going to keep it Houston because most of the menu is Houston based because that's where I pulled my original menu from, was a place in the Woodlands. So I want to try a new lunch item based on local 2026 trends going on in Houston. Do not use beef. Like maybe you want to make a rule like that, like don't use beef, or you know what, do not use beef. I want, you know, let's just keep it like that. I was going to say I want it to be a salad item, but let's just say a new lunch item based on trends, don't use beef. Hit generate. And now it'll give you some new recipes. Boom. There you go, check that out. Sometimes, most of the time it'll give you 3, sometimes it'll give you 4. Oh no, that's actually a cocktail that it gave. Like, why'd you give me a cocktail? Let's go up here. Spicy pineapple cotija chicken sandwich. Man, that sounds good. Gulf Coast crab tostada. And a Cajun chicken grits power bowl. Oh man. If you guys are watching this and you want to take this recipe right now, feel free. I'm going to put this on screen because this sounds good. Chicken thigh, andouille sausage, grits, cotija cheese, jalapeno, fresh lime juice. Blacken the chicken thighs, slice andouille sausage, prepare grits, fold in cotija cheese, plate grits on top with proteins and sliced pineapple. Oh man, that sounds amazing. You guys want to see the other recipes? Here, I'll go ahead and show all of them. That way you guys can pause. You can take a look at these recipes. And mind you, the profit, that's suggestive. Obviously, that's not going to be your profit, but it'll show you basic roundabout. Like, I mean, if you take that Powerball, if you're charging, you know, $16, $17 for that Powerball, your profit's probably going to be about $11. You know, same thing with this sandwich. What is it? A spicy pineapple chicken sandwich. You know, if you charge $12, $13 for that, you're probably looking at a profit of $9.50. But yeah, that's how it works. And, you know, adding it to the menu is the same way. You would just map it to your categories, map it to your ingredients, your inventory, and it just adds it. So let's go ahead and do that really quick. Let's do the Power Bowl. Add to menu, category, bowls, price. You know what? I'm going to charge $16.50 for that. Save recipe to recipe book. Map ingredients. Chicken thigh. And what you could probably do, I don't think I've tried this yet, is instead of mapping here, you could probably save it and then have the AI automatically map it in the recipes page. I'm just going to go ahead and finish mapping these out really quick. just to show you what it looks like. Oops. Fresh lime juice. Confirm mapping. Save to menu. I mean, this is how fast you can add things to the menu. As long as you tell your cooks, right? You gotta let your cooks know, like, hey, we have all of this stuff. This is how you prepare it. So the next time an order comes in, and of course the cook is going to want to practice making it and make sure they get the recipe right, make sure it tastes good, you know. I mean, you obviously don't want to do that in the middle of a lunch rush. That would be stupid. But we can now see Cajun chicken and grits power bowl. It's already there. Recipes. Go to bowls. You can see Cajun chicken, grits, and power bowl. Boom. You have your description, preparation instructions, link to the menu item, inventory linked. Smart inventory tracking. Bada bing, bada boom, guys. This is one really cool feature of this AI menu suggestion that I just absolutely love. And I really hope you guys take advantage of this because you could add cocktails, you could add drinks. This is connected to Gemini. So whatever you prompt it, you know, prompt it. I'm going to be probably expanding on this feature because it is connected to your inventory, so it can read your inventory. So maybe I'll create a system to where, you know, hey, take a look at my inventory and tell me what ingredients I could get rid of, or what ingredient can I add to create new menu items, or something like that. I don't know. I definitely love the AI component of this app and the AI menu suggestions of creating new menu items on the fly. I mean, bartenders should be able to pick that up real quick. If you put that recipe for a new cocktail in front of them, I mean, any bartender or a good chef, any good line cook should be able to take a look at that and say, we already have those ingredients. This is the prep that we would need to do for it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I mean, you could just add things to the menu. You want to create a special for the day, a new menu item with a new cocktail, put it on your chalkboard, tell your servers about it, tell your bartender, tell your chef. Boom, you got a new promotional item going. Just like that. Do you like it? Do you love it? I do. Yeah, my name is Matthew Coblin. I am the founder and lead developer of HubPlate. Let me know what you guys think of this new feature, this AI menu suggestions. I greatly appreciate any and all feedback. Like, comment, subscribe, send me a DM. Give me your thoughts. I appreciate you. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.